I gave myself a mission. A goal, one that required consistency. To follow through with the project, no matter what. No matter what. This mission began on the 28th of May 2018. One video a week for at least a year. Even if barely anybody watched them. Even if I was traveling. Even if I knew that my schedule was already going to be pretty full that week. One video a week. For at least a year, I've now done that. If I said that I wasn't taken aback by the overall reception of this channel, I'd be lying. Week in, week out, more and more of you watched, liked, commented on, and subscribed to my videos. Week in, week out, I've been trying my best to give you all original, innovative, and insightful content. Thank you so much for sticking around for so long. Now, I need to step back. You might be wondering why I'd give this up, especially now. Well, I'm not. I'm just taking a break. I'm going to the UK to see my family for the first time in a few years. I've got 2 brand new nieces to meet, and I was trying to figure out and work out how I can keep creating content without keeping myself from doing the things that I want and need to do in my hometown. I decided I needed a short break from content creation. I'm putting down the camera. It could be anywhere from a few weeks to over a month. Thank you again for all your support this year and last. I'll see you next week. I'll see you when I see you. I wanted to let you know. Cheers. Bye.